It's Mickey again. Today I'm going to teach you a very unique settings that you can do to make your download speed faster. So before that, we must need to go to the settings. You click on settings, then you go to connections and go to mobile networks. Then go to access point name. When you are there, you see your internet access point name is on the MTN and it's on internet. So you need to add. Then you give it a name. MTN fast one. So I've given it a name, and here is a very important place. You need to make it this the same thing, WAP, like that. Sorry, I'm making all capital letters. Then you click on save. Then you before we initialize, we need to like see both sides and see the speed. So it's on MTN internet. Let's go. I have some downloading here and I've paused it. Let's see the speed. Let's see. You see, the speed is very poor, 3 kilobyte per second, and it's has gone high, 16 kilobyte, 600 kilobyte. Then you see, it's not a very unique downloading. So let's go and check about the WAP. So we'll come here and we will switch to the WAP. Then we come back and look how the speed is. So now it's at the WAP. Then let's see how the speed is. You see 3 megabyte per second, and it's moving really fast. It's faster than 4 megabyte per second. It's faster than the one. So guys, that is it's really important, and it worked very fine. Now my download are finished. So that's it for all. It's really fast. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If I release a new video, it's really amazing. So check out. Then don't forget to give a thumbs up. Okay, see you later. Have a good one.